Hey guys, what's up? It's Emily. I'm back with you gal in another video, and today I'm gonna be doing something very different. We're gonna be doing a cook with me and gal, and we're gonna be trying to make sushi. So just so you guys know, I'm like the worst cook ever. I don't know how to cook, but he likes to cook a lot and he's good at it, and his favorite food is sushi, so this is your video basically.
Alright, well, I wanted to make this like a little bit of a competition, but Emily thinks that she can't really do.
Well, it wouldn't be a fair competition because I don't know how to do it, and he does know how. So.
I've made sushi like one time.
Yeah, but I don't even know how to make the stuff that goes in it, and you would make it for me, so it's like...
Okay, well, who can assemble it nicer?
Okay,
can we do
fine.
that? Like, whose
looks prettier?
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a competition.
Yeah, whose looks prettier? We'll see.
Igal already started the rice. You guys can see here we're making sticky rice. We kind of burnt it a little bit in some places there, but yeah. It's fine. We'll just cover it with some clean rice.
No, I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, but how did you do this? You just put the rice in a bowl?
No,
with water?
You have to boil water, then you have to put some rice vinegar inside.
I think we have to cook that, would you say, like half an hour?
Yeah, like half an hour, or until it gets like sticky. And...
It's already been like 15 minutes, I think.
No, it's been longer than that.
Longer? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, it's been like...
It's either 30 minutes or until it gets tender, so it's good now. The rice is ready, just leave it cool off, and...
you already took it off?
Yeah,
Ooh,
yeah.
I forgot to turn the stove off, you gal.
Oh,
Okay, let's not burn my house down, please.
2 rolls on the menu today.
Okay.
We're making a chicken katsu roll, and then we're making... Well, it's just like, you know, like regular like Japanese style fried chicken inside, and we're gonna put it with a bunch of like veggies, and
then he's making salmon for him.
Yeah.
I don't eat fish, so that's just for you.
I don't understand how you like sushi, but don't like having fish in sushi. It's like
vegetarian sushi's good, and so is chicken sushi. Here's our chicken. We bought chicken thighs. Says Igal.
Yeah, chicken thighs. You know, just because they're a little bit more like tender, and you know, it's nicer. It's nicer chicken to have fried, at least in sushi, I would think. I don't know. I'm not really a chef. I'm just saying things.
Okay, that's good. This is the flour. This is 2 eggs whisked, and then this is panko. What's the order of it? This is the order?
Yeah, that's the order. Do you know what we're doing next?
Let me guess. So we're gonna take the chicken that's right here.
Okay.
We're gonna pound it. Am I right?
Yeah. Do that again with the hammer. Okay.
Hard as that. Hard as that.
Okay.
Let's go. Hard. We're frying the chicken. If you want, go over there and see that one.
This is what it looks like. It looks really good. These are our failed attempts. I cut the avocado. Don't look at like the mushy ones, but like it'll be good, don't worry. And then cucumber. Here we have the chicken. It's so good. Here are sweet potato strips, which we fried. His salmon. We each have our seaweed here. Then there's more in this package here. Here's our sticky rice. Here we have some lettuce, and under is cucumber strips, and then here is avocado.
I think we have to keep our hands wet when we're doing this.
Yeah, that's why we have boiled water.
Yeah, really pack it on. Okay, so what am I making first?
I don't know. It's your choice.
Should I do? I'll do a salmon one. Salmon in there, like that. So avocado, a little bit more, like that. Let's get some tempura in.
Here's.
Usually you make this like from scratch, but no time for that. Even though we have time for everything else, really. And I like putting spicy mayo inside, so we'll just like, I'm not really sure where exactly it goes when you make these rolls. Oh, that was a bit too much. My mistake was that I think I was supposed to put this closer up.
Yeah, I think so too.
But let's see. Pack it in.
It's so crunchy.
Hmm.
Show the side.
Well,
We have
I
to cut the side.
to cut it first. So bring it over.
There we go. If I liked salmon, I'd think that looks good.
Yeah, I guess leave it for now, even though it's not perfect.
Wait, should I add some on the sides there?
You just don't want to put too much rice, that's why.
And we're gonna take a chicken. Ooh.
A chicken? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna put it like this, a bit close to the front.
No, you gotta go along the whole length. So you
Yeah.
have to put 2 pieces of chicken. I put it over
I only
there.
want one piece.
No, I put 2 pieces. You have to go the whole length,
Oh.
or else you won't have sushi.
Over here, and I love avocado, so we're gonna put some more like that. Okay, then I'm gonna take some cucumber, and then lastly some tempura.
I don't think it needs it, because you already have the crunch from the chicken. You want more crunch? You want more crunch?
Yeah, I like tempura. I used to hate tempura.
What made you go to the other side?
I tasted it.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Okay, more than that, and then pack it like. Okay, not like that. You're just looks like you're killing it. You gotta like
now what?
like pack it like in like a. Okay, sure. I mean,
Now
you
what?
already to lift it up again. Take off the roller. So it's basically go in the middle first, middle cut. Okay. Now put it next to each other. Put it side by side.
Oh!
Wow. You know, honestly, not bad for your first roll, but like, look at
There's a lot of
the
rice.
amount of rice.
So these are Igal's sushis. They look very nice and professional. Mine did not turn out. But I mean, hopefully they still taste good. This just proves I can't cook.
As you can see, I had a better time making my sushi than
And you
Emily.
made some of mine too.
Yeah, I made some of hers also.
It's good.
Good. I'm pretty happy with the turnout.
Yeah, honestly, would I do it again? No, because we started this process at like what time? Say around 7ish, and it's now 9:17.
Yeah.
So it took us over 2 hours.
Honestly, like this isn't even the worst sushi I've had. Like this can easily compete with the all-you-can-eat places.
Yeah, the
Don't you
Polly
think?
kids are each making it.
Don't you think?
Yeah. We're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was different, but if you want to see more cooking videos with me and Igal, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next Monday.
Here we go. Yeah, I'm sky high and I dare anybody to try and cut my wings. I'm still pulling out the phantom and these haters can't stand. That's me singing, by the way.